How to delete your Mobile Legends account on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Mobile Legends Bang Bang account on iPhone. Whether you want to start fresh or you're just no longer playing, I'll walk you through the entire process to delete your MLBB account permanently. First, open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once the game is open, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring you to the main settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and look for Help or Customer Service option. Tap on it to open the customer support interface. Now tap on Account Management under the Customer Service option. This is where you'll be able to request account deletion. Within the Account Management section, look for the account option that says Delete Account or Account Deletion. Select it and you'll be prompted with instructions on how to proceed. After you simply choose that you truly want to delete your account, click on Yes, delete my account. After confirming your account deletion request will be submitted to Mobile Legends support team. Once the deletion is processed, you will get a final notification confirming that your Mobile Legends account has been permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Mobile Legends account on iPhone.